Hello everyone, Martha here with you for LDRS Creative. So today we are going to be making a simple birthday party invite. And I think these are just adorable and so quick to make. So we're going to be using the new ice cream party set. We will be using the party time set. The die that we're using is from the Eyelet Lace Rectangle die set. And then we're also going to be using the Plum Crazy Raven Lipstick Jungle and Pink Tutu hybrid inks. So let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do, just put our little products out of the way here. We're gonna start with the Here's the Scoop set, and we're gonna use the Lipstick Jungle ink for that. Just give it a good inking. And then we're just going to stamp it right near the top and try to center it as best as we can. There we go. Okay, and then next, let's do the You're Invited to a Birthday Party, and I just pieced these together from this set from Party Times. It's You're Invited to a Birthday Party. So I just put them all on here like that. And we're gonna use the Plum Crazy ink. Just ink it up really well. And we're just, again, gonna try to just center that below the Here's the Scoop, which I think is such an adorable sentiment to go with this invite. Perfect. Okay. Next, we're going to do the Date, Time, and Place stamp, which is also from the Party Time set. I think this set is an absolute must-have in your stamp collection, and we're using the Raven hybrid ink to stamp that. Yes, an absolute must-have in your collection, because sometimes you go to the store and you try to find the perfect invite that matches with the decor that you're doing for your party or anything like that, and sometimes it's almost impossible. So this way you can choose your own colors and it can all be your own, exactly how you would want it. All right, and we will use the Raven ink again to do the little swirls here, and those are also from the Party Time set. So it does have one that goes this way and then one that goes that way. It does have the two separate stamps in there. So again, let's use the Raven ink. Perfect. Get it straight, and then we're just gonna put it on either side of the Here's the Scoop. And then let's do the other side. Just like that. And just like that, you have the perfect party invite in minutes, all color coordinated to your own party. So for this one, I did go around with the hybrid ink in the Pink Tutu. So we'll just do that really quick here, and you can go as light or heavy as you'd like. The inks, the hybrid inks, blend so beautifully into paper. I'm going to be I'm gonna go a little lighter on this one and just kind of fade it into the whites. Just beautiful. And there we have it. In just a few minutes, we have the perfect party invite. So there it is again. And there's the one we just did together. So there we go. All right, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.